भाई संभाल।
ये हमारा तोड़पुरी है। कुछ भी पूछेगा हस्की जरा।
और रिचर्ड यूट्यूबर रहता है।
यूट्यूबर है ये जाना रे।
What's up people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching the video at. This is your host Ganesh and you're watching my channel Beardo on Enfield. So I'm still at Solapur. So this place behind me over here, Punekar Cushions, it belongs to my cousin brother. So I was here and I thought why not to change my bike seats, and he's helping me out. So as you see, he has already removed the seats of my bike. Seat की condition was completely bad and थोड़ा बहुत नहीं, बहुत ही bad actually. The cushion was completely ruined and he is changing that. I'll show you, wait a moment. So in case if you are somewhere here at Solapur Road, you can visit his place. I'll put down his contact number in the description box below. You can contact him and you can get your things done. This is the current condition of my rear seat, and this is the main seat. So it was actually damaged because of water was going inside it. जो stitches लगे हुए थे कवर के ऊपर, वहाँ से पूरा पानी अंदर जाता था, because of which ना ये पूरा गंदा हो चुका है, गीला हो के सड़ चुका है बेसिकली. तो इसको थोड़ा टाइम धूप में सुखाते हैं and then we'll see what can be done. I think he's going to apply some little bit more foam on it, on both the seats, and going to make a new cover for it. So I haven't chose any specific color for the cover, but then basic black would be good. Let's see what happens. Holy crap. So mostly bucket seats में ऐसा होता है कि this kind of frame is used. मैंने ये परफेक्ट सीट्स में बनवाया था, तो इमरान भाई के यहाँ पे ऐसा बनता है, बाकी जगह पे भी ऐसे ही बनता होगा. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट. तो सैंड पेपर से पूरा वो घस के निकाल रहा है जो भी रस्टेड पार्ट्स हैं एंड जो फोम चिपका हुआ है वो. Punekar cushion की चाय. I'll have this naughty face. तो यहाँ पे this was like kind of flat before. तो यहाँ पे पीछे जो है थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे फोम और ऐड करके हाइट बढ़ा के लिए.
हे तुझ्या कामाची क्वालिटी सांगतं.
क्वालिटी काय सांगू, त्याला बघतो ना व्हिडिओ, जेव्हा काम करणार ते लगेच ओळखून आले. सोपा पर्याय काय, सोपा पर्याय नाही गावला पाहिजे कोणाला.
सगळं रेकॉर्ड होतं, शिवाय रेकॉर्डिंग करतो,
चालू है. So finally it's dried out and this is how it looks now. So earlier this thing was quite flat. You can see this shape over here. This was quite flat earlier, but now ये थोड़ा सा इसका हाइट जो ऊपर उड़ा के ले लिया है, एंड इसको भी थोड़ा सा हाइट ऊपर ले लिया है. लेट मी जस्ट हॉप ऑन टू इट एंड सी इफ इट्स कंफर्टेबल और नॉट. better than before. आता ये थोड़ा सा पीछे यहाँ पे ना बैक पे अच्छा सा ये थोड़ा सपोर्ट मिल रहा है यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पीछे लीन हो रहा हो ना तो यहाँ पे प्रॉपरली सपोर्ट आ रहा है अच्छा हाँ
गुड टेक अ राइड
ठीक है राइट
टेक अ स्मॉल राइड फील हाउ इट इज
तुम चाबी it's good. I quickly had a small spin on the bike after sitting on that new bucket seat means not the new seat but then renovated seat and it feels quite comfortable. I'm getting a little bit of support at my back and yeah it feels really comfortable. So now he's taking measurement for the seat and he'll be applying this additional foam on it. The sheet is dried, I think. This is how it's looking right now. He has applied additional foam on it. So he's applying this cover. I'm actually not happy with the color but then yeah it's good. He is guaranteeing that it will last longer. This is the rear one. Let him fit it on the bike first and then I'll show it to you how it looks. Earlier this portion ये जो height है ना it wasn't like that. It was like completely almost flat and right now additional foam add करके इसका जो height है increase करके लिया है so that I'll get a little bit of support at the back while riding and there was not at all distance between there was no gap earlier over here so because of rising the height of the seat ये जो है यहाँ पे gap पड़ गया थोड़ा सा तो completely flat तो ये चिपक जाता था यहाँ पे. Now it's perfectly fine. So guys, that's it about it, and the seats are installed. I hope you like the design and the color of the seats as well as the entire video. And hopefully you will like this video. And if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to it. And if you need any information about this place where I am right now, you can drop it down in the comment section below, and I'll probably answer all those questions. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and ride safe.